Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more previous year questions on the integrals chapter. In the previous part of this chapter, we had solved till the question number 31. So in this part 3, we would solve from the question number 32 onwards. So in any steps of these solutions, if you are unable to understand or any other kinds of doubts you have, then please write us in the comments section. And in any other chapter of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter in the comments section so that we shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions on every chapter based on the previous year KCET exam shall be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So in question number 32, it is told to find the integral of cos power n minus 1 x dx divided by sine power n plus 1 x, where n is not equal to 0. That is how much? So this will be written as cos power n minus 1 into x dx divided by sine power n minus 1 into x into, this is, I can write this is into sine square x. So this we can write integral sine by cos is cot, so cot power n minus 1 x dx, sorry, this will be cot x power n minus 1 into dx, no, this is into cosec square x cot n minus 1 x into cosec square x into dx. So if we take cot x as t, then minus cosec square x dx, that will be equal to dt. So this we can write as cot, so this we can write t power n minus 1 into minus dt. This will be minus integral t power n minus 1 into dt. This is minus of t power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1 plus c. So this is minus t power n by n plus c. So this is minus cot power n x by n plus c. So option C is the correct answer. Then question number 33, it is told that find the integral x minus 1 into e power x divided by x plus 1 whole cube dx. So this can be written as integral e power x into this second, right, x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube into dx. So this I can write it as integral e power x to 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube into dx. So now we know that the integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. So here also, if we take the function f of x as 1 by x plus 1 whole square, then f dash x, that is d by dx of this, that is minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. So this is also of this form only. Therefore, the answer is e power x into f of x, that is for x by x plus 1 whole square plus c. Option B is the correct answer. Then we have to find the value of integral minus 1 to 2 mod x by x into dx. So from minus 1 to 0, this mod x will be minus x. So this is minus x by x into dx. and plus from 0 to 2 this will be x, so this is x by x into dx. So this will be 1, this will be minus 1, so this is minus of integral minus 1 to 0 to dx, plus this is integral dx from 0 to 2. Integral dx is x, so that is minus of x from minus 1 to 0 and plus x from 0 to 2. This will be minus of, this is 0 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, and plus this is 2 minus 0. This is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Option B is the correct answer. In question number 35, it is told find the integral I, that is 0 to pi cos power 4x dx by cos power 4x plus sine power 4x. So now the rule is that if now we know that integral 0 to 2a f of x dx, that is equal to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x, that is equal to f of x. So now here also in this integral, so suppose if I take f of x as cos power 4x by cos power 4x plus sine power 4x, then f of pi minus x, that will be equal to cos power 4 pi minus x, it will be in the second quadrant. This will be cos power 4x plus sine power 4x, cos power 4 pi minus x plus sine power pi minus x. This will be also cos power 4x by cos power plus sine power. So which is equal to f of x. So f of pi minus x is equal to f of x. So therefore integral 0 to pi is f of x dx, that can be written as 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. Suppose, so I can take 2a as pi, so a will be pi by 2. So this will be 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx. This will be equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 of x. Now again here you can see one thing, that is, now again there is one rule, that is 0 to a f of x dx, that is also we can write integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now here f of x is equal to cos power 4x by sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. So f of pi by 2 minus x, that will be equal to cos power 4 pi by 2 minus x plus sine power 4 pi by 2 minus x plus cos power 4 pi by 2 minus x. So this will be equal to sine power 4x by cos power 4x plus sine power 4x. Now therefore here integral, let's say this is I is this, I is 2 into integral I1. Now I1, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx here, that is also equal to, and yeah, that is also equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 f of pi by 2 minus x dx. Now therefore 2I2, you can write it as 0 to pi by 2 f of x plus f of pi by 2 minus x dx, I can write. So this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. So this will be cos power 4x plus this is sin power 4x. So this is sin power 4x plus cos power 4x divided by sin power 4x plus cos 4x into dx, which is nothing but integral dx. This is 0 to pi by 2 integral dx, that is equal to x, and it will go from 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2. So therefore I1 is equal to pi by 2 and 1 by 2, that is pi by 4. And now I, the integral, which is integral 0 to pi f of x dx, which is equal to 2I1. So 2I1 is 2 into pi by 4, pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 36, it is told f of x is this, then integral. Okay, so we know that there is one rule, that is integral 0 to, so integral a to b f of x dx, that is equal to integrals a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. Now integral e to pi f of x dx, that is equal to 2 by e plus pi, and so integral e to pi of x dx, that is equal to integral e to pi of pi plus e minus x into dx. These two are also same. Now therefore we have to find the integral e to pi I, which is integral e to pi x into f of x dx. Now this also can be written as e to pi e plus pi minus x into f of e plus pi minus x into dx. So this we can write it as integrals e to pi e plus pi into f of x. So this we can also write e to pi e plus pi minus x into f of x dx. So this will be e plus pi into f of x dx minus e to pi x into f of x dx is equal to minus integral e to pi x into f of x. So this is the integral, then again the same integral is coming, so I can write 2I is equal to integral e to pi, e plus pi is constant, so it will come outside of the integration, integral f of dx. So this is this, so I can write e plus pi into 2 by e plus pi. This part will cancel out. So 2I is equal to 2, so I is equal to 1. So C, option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 37 it is told if the if linear function f of x and g of x satisfy if the linear function f of x and g of x satisfy this is, then f of x is how much? Okay, integral, this is 3x plus 1 into cos x dx plus it is integral 1 minus 2x sin x dx equal to 3 into integral x dx plus integral cos x dx plus integral sin x dx minus 2 into integral x sin x dx. This 3 into x dx integral, sorry, this is x cos x dx, is one wrong here. equal to integral 3x cos x dx. So this will be 3 into integral cos x, integral x cos x, that is 3x into integral cos x dx. So here we have to apply the integration by parts. 3 into integral x into integral cos x dx minus 3 into, so this is integral dx by dx, that is 1, integral dx by dx, that is 1, and integral cos x is sin x into dx, plus integral cos x is sin x, plus integral sin x is minus cos x, then minus this will be 2 into integral x dx, so this will be x into integral sin x dx, then minus this is integral d by dx by dx, that is 1, and integral sin x, that is integral sin x, that is cos x sin x, that is minus cos x, so plus integral, this will be 3x into, this is sin x, and integral sin x is minus cos x, so this is plus 3 cos x plus sin x cos x, then minus this is 2x integral sin x, that is minus cos x, so this is plus 2x cos x, and integral cos x is sin x, this is minus 2 sin x plus c. So this will be for cos x, that is 2x plus 3 minus 1, that is 2x plus 2 into cos x, and plus sin x into, this will be plus 3x minus 1, 3x sin x minus 1 and sin x, there is something wrong. Sorry, here this is minus, it's minus sign here, it's minus 1 here, it's minus sin x, this is minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, so 3x minus 3 into sin x plus c. So therefore the function f of x is 2 into x plus 1, x plus 2, and the function g of x is 3 into x minus 1. Option C is the correct answer. Then it's told to find the value of this integral I, that is equal to integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 log of sec theta minus tan theta to d theta. Now here value of this integral, find. sec here, let's say f of theta is this, log of sec theta minus tan theta d theta. So then f of minus theta, that is how much? F of minus theta will be log of sec of minus theta is sec theta, then tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So this is tan theta. F of theta is this. So d theta should not be there. So now this can be written as log of secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta also. This is equal to log of 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This will be minus of log of sec theta minus tan theta is equal to minus of f of theta. So therefore the function f of theta is an odd function. Odd function. So we can say integral minus a to a f of theta d theta, that will be equal to 0. Since why? F of theta is an odd function. So this will be equal to 0. Option A is the correct answer. Since there is a rule, the rule is what? The rule is that if that means f of x integral minus a to a, that will be equal to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is an odd function. If f of x is even function. Even function means that if f of minus x, that is equal to f of x, but this integral minus a to a f of x dx, that will be equal to 0 if the function f of x is an odd function. The function f of odd function means that if f of minus x, that is equal to minus of f of x, then this will be true. Question number 39. Solve. Number 39 is that integral sine 2x dx divided by sine square x plus 2 cos square x, that is equal to integral 2 sine x cos x. Sine square x plus cos square x is 1 plus cos square x. So this will be equal to this is 1 plus cos square x. Now cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x. So this we can write 2 sine x cos x dx by 2 minus sine square x, since cos square x is 1 minus sine square x. Now what we can do? Now if we take this, suppose, so this one also we don't have to write actually. Okay. Suppose we take this 1 plus cos square x here, this is equal to t suppose. Then 2 cos x into minus sin x, that is equal to dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore this integral I can be written as integral minus dt, be minus dt by t. This is minus log of t plus c. This is minus of log 1 plus cos square x plus c. So option C is the correct answer. Then in question number 40 is told to find the value of integral e power x to 1 plus sin x into dx divided by 1 plus cos x. Now this we can write it e power x into 1 plus sine x, we can write it as sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus sine x is 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx divided by this will be 1 plus cos x is 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta, so this is 2 cos square x by 2. Then what we can do, we can write this is integral e power x into this is 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus this is 2 into, so this tan x by 2 into dx. So now we know that integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So now here if I take the function f of x as tan x by 2, then f dash x, that will be equal to secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 into dx. No, sorry, this is f dash x. So therefore if I take this is f of x, then this will be f dash x. So therefore the integral I, this integral I, that will be equal to e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 41, it is told integral 0 to pi by 4 log of sin x plus cos x by cos x dx. So let's say this integral is I. So this integral, so we know that there is one rule, that is I equal to, if it is 0 to a integral f of x dx, that is also equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now the integral I can be actually written as 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. So now, so this integral I can be written as 0 to pi by 4 into log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x to dx. This will be equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of, this can be written as 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x, that is tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x dx. So this will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 to log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into dx, that is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. So tan x and tan x will cancel. Therefore the integral I can be also written as 0 to pi by 4, this is log of 2 by 1 plus tan x to dx, which is nothing but we can write 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x into dx. Now this we can write it as 0 to pi by 4 into log 2 and dx minus, again this is integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. So this is nothing but I again. This is I. So therefore this is equal to I. So this one is also I. So I can write 2I, that is equal to log 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 into dx. Therefore integral dx is x, and 0 to pi by 4 the integral is pi by 4. 2I, that is pi by 4 into log 2. I will be equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is the answer. Oh, pi by 8 log 2, so it is option D is the correct answer. Okay. Then in question number 42 is told integral sine square x into dx divided by 1 plus cos x, that is equal to how much? So sine square x, that I can write it as 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x into dx divided by 1 plus cos x. So now this is equal to, so a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b square. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x to dx divided by 1 plus cos x. These two expressions will cancel. This is equal to integral 1 minus cos x dx, which is equal to integral dx minus integral cos x dx. So which is equal to x minus integral cos x is sin x minus sin x plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 43, it is told that we find the integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos 2x. Now 1 plus cos 2x can be, this is the integral I. Now cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. This is minus pi by 4 into pi by 4. Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 is dx by 2 cos square x. This is equal to 1 by 2 into integral dx by, sorry, this is secant, 1 by cos square x is sec square x. This is integral secant square x dx and minus pi by 4. So this is half of, now we know that this will be equal to half into 2 into integral 0 to pi by 4 secant square x dx. Since why? Since we know that integral f of x dx from minus a to a, that is equal to 2 into, that is equal to 2 into integral 0 to f of x dx if f of x is an even function, means f of minus x, that is equal to f of x. Now secant square, we know that secant square minus x, that is equal to secant square x, so it is an even function. So 2 and 2 will cancel, so this is 0 to pi by 4 integral secant. So integral secant square x is tan x. Tan x, that will go from 0 to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, that is 1. Option A is the correct answer. Then here we need to find the integral 1. So that is dx by x square into x power 4 plus 1 power 3 by 4. That is equal to how much? That we have to. So in question number 44, so this integral I, that we can write it as integral dx by will be x square. From here x power 4, if I take it as common outside, then this will be x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 power 3 by 4. This will be integral dx by, this is 4 cancels, this is x cube, so x cube into x square is x power 5. X power 5 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. So now if we take 1 plus 1 by x power 4 as t. Then we have minus 4 by x power 5 dx, that will be equal to dt. Therefore dx by x power 5, that can be written as minus dt by 4. Therefore this integral I can be written as minus integral dt by 4 into t power 3 by 4. So this will be minus 1 by 4 to integral t power minus 3 by 4 into dt. This will be minus 1 by 4 into t power minus 3 by 4, means it is t power minus 3 by 4, that is t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So therefore the integral I, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1, that is t power 1 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4, that is also 1 by 4 again, and 4 that will cancel out, plus c. So this is minus t power 1 by 4 plus c. So t is 1 plus 1 by x power 4. So this is minus of 1 plus 1 by x power 1 by 4 c. Now from here outside, if I take 1 by x power 4 as common, so this will be minus of x power 4 plus 1 power 1 by 4 by x power whole power 1 by 4 plus c. So this is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus x power by 4 by x plus c. So option C is the correct answer. And in question number 45, it is told find the integral e power x into 1 plus x dx by cos square into e power x into x. So now this is the integral. So now if I take e power x into x as t, then be e power x plus x into e power x to dx, that is equal to dt. So this is e power x into 1 plus x into dx, that is equal to dt. This integral can be written as integral dt by cos square t. So therefore the integral I is integral secant square t dt, which is equal to tan t c, so which is equal to tan of e power x into x plus c. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 46, it is told find the value of e power x into x square tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 to dx divided by x square. So now so this will be integral e power x. Now from here tan inverse x I can take as common from these two, so be tan inverse x to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square, then plus this is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this two will cancel, be equal to the integral e power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square to dx. This is e power x. Now we know that there is a rule is that e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx integral. So this will be equal to This will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So now if we take tan inverse x that is equal to t, then 1 by 1 plus x square into dx, that will be equal to dt. So now it means that if I take this as f of x, if I take tan inverse x as f of x, if I take tan inverse x as f of x, then f dash x that will be equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So therefore, the integral I, this can be written as e power x in since why if I take this is f of x, then this is f dash x. So therefore, this is e power x into tan inverse x plus c. Option A is the correct answer. Then we need to find the value of this integral I, which is integral minus pi by 4 sine power 103x into cos power 101x dx. Now here, if I take the function f of x as sine power 103x into cos power 101x, then f of minus x is how much? F of minus x will be sine of minus x whole power 103 to cos of minus x whole power 101. This is minus sine x, so this will be minus sine power 103x. Cos of minus x is cos x, so this is cos of 101x. This is minus of f of x. So it means that this function f of x is an odd function. So therefore, integral minus a to a f of x dx, that will be equal to 0. This integral is 0. Option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 48, it is told the value of the integral e power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x divided by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x to dx. That is now, therefore, integral, this will be e power, here I can write e power 3 log x into e power 3 log x. Now we can write e power 2 log x into e power 4 log x. This is then minus this will be e power 2 log x into e power 3 log x. Since why, if the two terms are multiplied, then the exponents are added, then the powers are added. Divided by this will be e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log dx. So this will be equal to integral e power 2 log x I can take as common from the numerator. This will be e power 4 log x minus e power 2 log x, sorry 3 log x by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x dx. So these two will cancel out. This will be integral e power 2 log x dx. So this I can write it as integral e power log x square dx. So this is equal to integral x square dx. So this is equal to x cubed by 3. C. Option B is the correct answer. Then question number 49. In question number 49, it is told that find the integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 1000 x dx by sine power 1000 x plus cos power 1000 x, that is equal to how much? So now this integral can be also written as 0 to pi by 2 sine power 1000 pi by 2 minus x dx by sine power 1000, sorry, sine power 1000 pi by 2 minus x, then plus this is cos power 1000 pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, so this will be equal to the integral 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x, so cos power 1000 x dx divided by sine power 1000 pi by 2 minus x, that is cos power 1000 x, plus this is cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x, so this is sine power 1000 into sine power 1000 x. Okay, so this is also I. So now therefore if I add these two integrals, so 2I, so why we can write like this, since we know that integral 0 to a f of x dx can be also written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So 2I will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. So this two if we add, this will be sine power 1000 x plus cos power 1000 x by sine power 1000 x plus cos power 1000 x into dx. So these two will get cancelled. This will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 into dx. So this is equal to x, and this will integrate for, it will be integrated from 0 to pi by 2. So this is equal to 2I, that will be equal to pi by 2. So it means that I is equal to pi by 4. Option D is the correct answer. Here we have to find the integral 2 to 8 over 10 minus x into dx divided by root x plus root over 10 minus x. So now we know that the integral f of x dx from a to b, if I do, that is also equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x into plus b minus x into dx. So therefore this integral I, which is equal to this 2 to 8 root over 10 minus x dx by root over x into plus root, that can be also written as integral 2 to 8 root over 10 minus of 2 plus 8 is 10, so 10 minus x into dx divided by root over 10 minus x plus root over 10 minus 10 minus dx. So this will be equal to 8 will be root x dx divided by x plus root over 10 minus x. Now if I add these two integrals, therefore 2I, that can be written as 2 to 8 root x plus root over 10 minus x by root x plus root over 10 minus dx. These two will get cancelled. So this is integral 2 to 8 integral dx, which is equal to x. So this is 8 minus 2, which is 6. So 2I is equal to 6. So I is equal to 3. So option D is the correct answer. Then in question number 51, it is told that integral minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx, that is how much? So now mod of x plus 2, that this function can be defined as, this will be equal to minus of x plus 2. If x plus 2 is less than 0, it means x is less than or equal to 2. This will be equal to x plus 2 if x is greater than minus 2. So therefore this integral I can be separated into two parts. One is from minus 5 to minus 2, will be minus of x plus 2 dx, and plus that will be minus 2 to 5, that will be x plus 2 dx. So this will be equal to minus of integral x dx minus 5 to minus 2, then this is minus 2 integral dx from minus 5 to minus 2, then plus this will be integral x dx from minus 2 to 5, plus this is 2 integral dx from minus 2 to 5. This will be minus of x square by 2, that will go from minus 5 to minus 2. Minus 2 integral dx is x from 5 to 2, plus this is x square by 2 minus 2 to 5, plus 2 into integral dx is x from, so this will be the minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 whole square is 4, minus of minus 5 whole square is 25, then minus 2 into this is minus 2 minus of minus 5, that is plus 5, plus 1 by 2 into this is 5 square, that is 25, 25 minus of minus 2 whole square, that is 4, plus 2 into 5 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. So this will be minus half, this will be half into this is 21, then minus 2 into 3, plus this will be 21 by 2, plus this will be 2 7 14. It will be 21 by 2 plus 21 by 2, that is 21. 21 plus 14 minus 6, that is 8. So 21 plus 8, that is 29. So 29 is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 52, it is told find the integral I, which is cos 2x minus cos 2 theta into dx divided by cos x minus cos theta. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 minus this will be 2 cos square theta minus 1 into 2 cos square theta minus 1 square theta minus 1 into dx divided by cos x minus cos theta. This can be written as 2 into integral cos square x minus cos square theta to dx divided by cos x minus cos theta. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. 2 into integral cos x plus cos theta into dx. This will be equal to 2 integral cos x dx. Now cos theta is a constant. It will be cos theta into integral 2 cos theta into integral dx. This will be 2 integral cos x is sin x. So 2 sin x plus 2x cos theta plus c. So this will be 2 into sin x plus x cos theta c. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 53, it is told to find the integral I equal to e power x into x plus 3 by x plus 4 square to dx. Now this can be written as integral e power x into x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 square to dx. So therefore this integral I can be written as e power x into 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 square into dx. So now if I take 1 by x plus 4 as f of x, then dash x will be equal to minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square. It means that this, if I take f of x, this is f dash x. Now we know that integral e power x into x plus f dash x dx, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Therefore this integral also will be e power x into f of x, that is e power x by x plus c. Option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 54, it is told find the integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x this we can write it as integral 0 to pi by 2. If I here if we multiply and divide by sec square x, then we will get secant square x dx divided by sine square x by cos square x is tan square x. So this is a square tan square x plus b square. Now if we take tan x as t, then we get secant square x dx as dt. Therefore, this integral can be written as now when x is going from 0 to pi by 2, so t will go from tan 0 to tan pi by 2, which is still infinity. It will go from 0 to infinity dt by a square t square plus b square. So here you can write it a square, we can take it outside, so by a square into integral 0 to infinity dt by b square plus b by a whole square. One by a square into, so we know that integral dx by a square plus x square, that is given as 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This will be also 1 by b by a tan inverse t by b by a. That will go from 0 to infinity. This will be 1 by ab to tan inverse of at by b. That will go from 0 to infinity. So this will be 1 by ab into tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, tan inverse 0, that is 0. This is pi by 2 ab. Option C is the correct answer. So here we have to find the integral I, which is square root of x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we know that the rule is that integral square root of a square plus x square dx, that is given as x by 2 into square root of a square plus x square, then plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 a square by 2 log of mod x plus square root of x square plus x square plus c. So this rule we have to apply. So this integral I can write it as square root of x square plus 2x plus 1 4 dx. 4 is 2 square. This I can write as integral square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square into dx. This will be equal to x plus 1 by 2 into square root of, this is x square plus 2x plus 5 plus this is a square by 2 is 4 by 2 log of mod x, which is x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 c. So this is half of x plus 1 and square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 into log mod of x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 plus c. So option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 56, it is told integral, to find the integral I, which is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx by e power sin x plus. Now if I take x as 1 by 1 plus e power sin x, then f of minus x, that will be equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus sin x. This will be 1 by e power sin x. So this will be e power sin x by e power sin x plus 1 minus x. Now we know that integral minus a to a f of x dx, that can be written as integral 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x to dx. So therefore integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 here x dx, that can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2 f of x plus f of minus x dx. This will be integral 0 to pi by 2. Now f of x plus f of minus x if we do, therefore f of x plus f of minus x, that will be equal to e power sin x plus 1 by e power sin x plus 1, which will be equal to 1. This is integral dx simply. This is x and that will go. This is pi by 2. Option C is the correct answer. Then question number 57 is told to find the integral 0 to pi by 2 tan power 7x dx by cot power 7x plus tan power 7x. Now this integral can be also 0 to pi by 2 tan power 7 pi by 2 minus x into x by cot power 7 pi by 2 tan power 7 pi by 2 minus x. So now if we take so this will be so this will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cot tan pi by 2 minus x is cot x. This is cot x and cot pi by 2 minus x is tan x. This we can write cot x, cot power 7x dx by tan power 7x plus cot power 7x. So now if we add these two integrals, then we will get 2i that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cot power 7x plus tan power 7x divided by cot power 7x plus tan power 7x dx. We can cancel out the numerator and the denominator, they are the same. So this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. This is x pi by 2, so that is pi by 2. So 2i is pi by 2, so I is equal to pi by 4. Option A is the correct answer. Then we have to find the integral 0.223 by 5 bracket x dx, where bracket x is the greatest integer function. So only at the integral values of x it will change. So from 0.2 to 1.2 to 1, p will less than 1, it will become 0 only. This is 0 into dx plus 1 to 2 is 1 dx plus this is 2 to 3 2 dx plus this is integral 3 to 3.5 is 3 dx. This part will become 0. So this integral dx from 1 to 2 plus 2 into integral dx from 2 to 3 plus 3 into integral dx from 3 x, that will go plus 2 integral x, integral dx is x from 2 to 3 plus 3 into integral dx is x 3 to 3. 2 minus 1 2 into 3 minus 2 plus 3 3.5 minus 3 is 1 plus 2 into plus 3 into 1.5, 3 5 is 15, 3 plus 1.5 is 4. Option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 59, it is told to find the integral dx by 1 plus e power x. So that is equal to, if we multiply both sides by e power, if we multiply and divide by e power minus x, then we get integral e power minus x dx by e power minus x plus 1. Now if I take e power minus x plus 1 as t, then minus of e power minus x dx, that will be equal to dt. Therefore this integral I can be written as minus integral dt by t, which is minus log base e t plus c. This is minus log base e 1 plus e power minus x c is equal to minus log e into 1 plus 1 by e power x c, or we can write it as minus log base e into e power x plus 1 by e power x plus c. So since minus is there, we can take its reciprocal, which is log base e power x by e power x plus 1 c. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral dx by square root of 3 minus 6x minus 9x square. So this will be integral dx by root 3, I can take as common. So root 3 into 2, this will be square root of 1 minus 2x minus 9x 3x square. Or 9 I can take as common, then this 3. 9 we can take as common side. Or actually we have to complete the square actually. This is integral dx by, now this will be, this is 3 minus this, I can write 9x square plus 6x. Now this is 3x whole square, so this 2 into 3x, 2 into 3x plus 1 we need, make it a perfect square. But minus 1 is not there, so I have to add 1, so this is 4 minus 1 will be 3. This will be equal to integral dx by, I can write square root of 2 square minus 3x plus 1 whole square. So why we wrote like this, since why, so we know that integral dx by square root of a square minus x square, that is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square minus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Sorry, it's wrong. So this is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is sine inverse x by a plus c. So therefore this integral can be written as, this integral I can be written as sine inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Sorry, here integral here 3x plus 1 is there, so 1 by 3 also will be there. 1 by 3 sine inverse 3x is 1 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then So so hope you have understood the solutions of all these 60 questions. So in the next part, we shall solve from question number 61 onwards. And any doubts if you have, then please write us in the comments section, and please install our Sapience Education application. We shall load some important questions the previous year KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.